Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to tell you what to do if the newly downloaded apps are not appearing on your home screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Now let's start the video. So guys, if newly downloaded app not showing, so go to app library. Tap on the search bar at the top and type the name of the app you are looking. If you don't want to use the search bar, you can easily scroll through the app in the app library. Now press and hold the app icon and a pop-up menu will appear. Here you have to select add to home screen and it will add it on the last page of your home screen. Method 2 is change the place newly downloaded apps. To do this, open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now swipe down to see home screen and tap on it. Here you have to select add to home screen. Now all downloaded apps will be appear on the home screen. Method 3 is reset home screen layout. Reset home screen layout will reset your home screen. To do this, open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings menu, swipe down and tap general. On the next menu, swipe down to see reset and tap on it. Here tap on reset home screen layout, then tap reset home screen to confirm. That's it. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.